Okay. Hey everyone. I kind of never thought this day would come, but it's here. I finally got in the mail my, don't look at my address, my Totally Tracy adult coloring book. I ordered a couple weeks ago directly from Tracy. We've been kind of emailing back and forth. And it was $20, and I thought, yeah, that's as much as I would possibly pay for an adult coloring book. I don't know if it's for adults because the content is also adult content or what, but it's labeled as an adult coloring book. So I noticed that there's something written underneath where my address is. So I'm just gonna peel it off and see what that is. Okay, so she's just like also like handwritten my address. And then at the top here, there's something else. Okay, it just says T Brady. Okay. Let me maybe move the camera a little bit. So it came just like a manila folder. It's totally destroyed. Maybe she should have called it Totally Destroyed Envelope instead of Totally Tracy Adult Coloring Book. I'm gonna open it up. I can't even believe this is real. It's like happening. Okay. Okay. Oh my god! Here it is! I don't know why I smelled it. Okay, it's fastened with like these fasteners, which are like, one's kind of fallen out. Let me just fix that before we get going here. So the cover says Totally Tracy, reality star of WETV's Love After Lockup, Tracy Wagamon Brady, authorized adult coloring book. 30 pictures to color of your favorite reality TV goddess. Don't know why there's an apostrophe here. But, I mean, listen, the fact that I'm even holding this in my hands is a miracle. Anyone who's ever Cash App someone who has struggled with crack cocaine, $20, you're not really expected to get anything in return. You kind of, whatever. No judgment zone. This is a no judgment zone. Okay. The cover's thicker than the rest of the paper, which is like computer paper. Oh, she even personalized like she said she would. So this says, all rights reserved, no part of this book can be reproduced or used in any manner without written permission of the cop. Oh, whoops. And it says, I had her say Merry Christmas, XO Tracy. Okay, picture number one is this one. She appears to be lounging in bed. I kind of don't want to give all these away. I mean, I will for you guys, but I do feel kind of bad because you didn't pay Tracy. Ooh, this is a nice one. Get closer. Oh, this is smoking hot. What if I actually color these in? Oh my god, I have to look at this with my own two eyes. It looks like she's on an escalator or like in a public park on a tree stump. I can't really tell. What's going on there? This looks like maybe an Instagram post. Oh, it's probably Clint that she crossed his face out. That's cool as shit. This might be with her new boyfriend who she's been flying around on Instagram. Doesn't know where Clint is. Still married. Ugh. Okay, now this is an adult. This is why it costs the big bucks. Okay. I think she's getting engaged here. Oh, that one's cute. Just chilling. Um. Okay, so that's a mannequin. It appears she's in a mall. It kind of looks like she's wearing a mask. Uh-oh. Sexuality. Who the fuck is texting me? Okay. Yeah, vibe. Uh-oh. Listen, we all have bad days. Hot. Yeah, very nice. This one's beautiful, actually. Tea with Tracy. That'd be a cool podcast name. Nice hat. Uh, oh yeah, this is when she was in jail and shaved half of her head, and I think she went missing, stole Clint's car, and got caught with meth again. That's too bad. Okay, this one has a mask. I think lips on it. Very nice. Oh, did I skip one? Ooh, yeah, she's like a hot nurse here. In the COVID wing. Classic, nice pose. Her and her new boyfriend, I forget his name. I think it starts with a J or something. Nice. This one's cute, pigtails. Last but not least, we have this one. And the back page, as I've showed you before, just has these 3 clips. Here's the cover one more time. This is such a cool thing to have. Not that I ever have like anyone over, or like if I did, they'd still not know what this is, but it's very cool. I have to say it's very cool. Tracy, if you're listening, I'm sorry that I showed the coloring book, but I really love it and I couldn't help myself. And maybe one day you'll come on the podcast. I should just email her. We've been chatting. Not really. I think that's pretty much it. Have a happy new year, everyone. And, if you're second guessing yourself on getting the coloring book, I just say go for it. She came through. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.